Do you ever have trouble finding your mouse pointer? Whether you use multiple high-resolution screens or just want a setup that feels more natural, Windows 11 makes it easy to fine-tune your mouse to your preference in just a few clicks. Step 1. Finding your settings. To start, click the search bar in your taskbar. Simply type Mouse Settings into the search bar and select the icon that comes up. Step 2. Core Adjustments. Once the mouse menu is open, you'll see several key options. Primary mouse button. Switch this if you're left-handed like me or prefer clicking with the opposite side. Mouse pointer speed. Use the slider to make your cursor move faster or slower across your displays. Scrolling. Adjust the lines to scroll to make browsing long documents or websites feel smoother. Step 3. Customizing the pointer. For even more control, look for the mouse pointer and toucher link under Related Settings. Here you can change the visual style of your cursor. Choose from a classic white, a high visibility black, an inverted cursor, or a custom color pointer. Size. Use the slider to increase the pointer size so it never gets lost on a crowded desktop. Make sure to test out these settings, and if you have any questions, just let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for our upcoming tech tip videos. Thank you for watching.